All right, we're starting off with our 3 large onions that we sliced on our grill. Now I'm coming in with my garlic powder and we're going to season this heavily. We want some nice tasty onions. This is gonna be so easy and so delicious. Beautiful. Now we're coming in with our Creole seasoning and we're gonna season this nice and heavy because this is what's gonna bring the flavor. Just be careful, it might make you sneeze. All right. Now I have the best butter you can buy, the garlic and herb Kerrygold butter, and I cut this into little pats of butter and we're gonna throw those onto our onions. This is gonna be so good, a perfect little side dish, a perfect little barbecue add-on that everyone loves. It is a beautiful day here in California, so it is so nice to be outside and in the sun, and we are adding our butter on here. I do have another stick, but I'm just gonna add maybe half of this stick because we don't need 2 full sticks. So keep that in mind as you make this recipe. All right, that looks great. All right, that butter is already starting to melt. Now I have my whole bag of mozzarella cheese and we're just putting that right on top of our onions and our butter and all that delicious seasoning. This smells so delicious and this is gonna be just incredible for what we're doing today. And if you thought that was enough cheese, you are wrong. We have our sharp cheddar and the Tillamook was buy one, get one free. So that's why we went big, which is always my favorite cheese. And we're just adding that right on top of our mozzarella. You can adjust the cheeses to your liking. And if you can't find that garlic herb butter, you can just add your own herbs and your own garlic. But we're gonna make sure that that's all spread out so all of those onions have some delicious cheeses.
Yum.
Now for a little greenery, we have our freeze-dried oregano. This is optional. You could do a parsley, you could do whatever you like. Everything I make is customizable. Beautiful. Now right next to our onions, we're gonna throw on our burger patties. You could do a turkey burger, you could do a chicken burger, but we are sticking with our ground beef. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna add some pepper onto all of our burgers, but you can season however you like. We're gonna have lots of flavors with those onions, so I don't feel like any crazy seasonings are necessary. And don't worry, we will season the other side when we flip these, but that looks great. Now I'm gonna add some salt. Like I said, keeping it simple. Perfect. All right, now we want to let those cook, so we're going to close up our grill and get this going. All right, we just checked this out and everything looks nice and good to go. We're going to start by taking off our patties super fast. Now it's time to remove our onions and we're going to put them over by our buns. All right, place our patties on to our buns. You could probably do some doubles here, but I like a single patty, so that's what we're doing, super fast. And then it is time to grab some onions, some cheesy Tennessee onions, and place that right on top of our burgers. Oh, my mouth is watering. Those onions are perfectly cooked. If you like them a little bit more browned, you can cook them for longer. Oh, but that looks juicy, cheesy, garlicky. Before we put our buns on, I'm gonna get some garlic aioli because you guys know I love my garlic, and we're just gonna put a little bit of our aioli on there. You could do mayo, you could add some tomatoes, you could add some ketchup, but this is gonna complement those flavors the best. All right, boom, boom, boom. Barbecue is ready, Tennessee style. All right, I'm gonna grab this bad boy right here. Woo-hoo. I am so excited.
Is it good?
Perfectly cooked.